Daddy, are you okay? You look tired.
Oh, I'm fine, sweetie. Just a long day at work.
Daddy, my teacher said when someone asks, "How are you?" I must say, "I'm fine, thank you." And you?
That's right. That's a good answer. But, sometimes people use other words too. For example, you can say, "I'm good," "I'm great," or "I'm doing well." It sounds more natural. "I'm fine" is for when you're just okay, not super happy.
Honey, are you okay? You look pale. Did you have a good day at work?
Mommy, Daddy is fine.
Fine? Is something wrong? You never say fine unless there's a problem.
Sweetie, I'm great. The day was just a little stressful. I'm doing well, really.
But Daddy, if I'm fine is not very good. Why did you tell me it's okay?
Well, it is okay, but sometimes people say it when they don't want to explain everything.
Exactly. When someone says, "I'm fine," it often means they are not fine.
Oh, so fine is like a secret code?
Sort of. Then maybe we should stop using that code.
Okay, from now on, I'll say, "I'm great."
That's much better. Hey, buddy. Oh, me? Yeah, I'm great.
Yes, he did it.